For training in behavior modification using Skinner's operant conditioning model, in which of the following types of procedures negative reinforcement is made contingent on making or withholding of a response in the presence or absence of cues? A. Reward learning. B. Escape learning. C. Punishment learning. D. Active avoidance learning. E. Discriminated learning. Operant conditioning, sometimes referred to as instrumental conditioning, is a method of learning that employs rewards and punishment for behavior. Through operant conditioning, an association is made between a behavior and consequence, whether negative or positive, for that behavior. Reinforcement and punishment are core tools on which operant conditioning works. In operant conditioning, a cue is a stimulus that happens just prior to operant behavior and that signals that performing the behavior may lead to reinforcement. Several operations are involved in this conditioning. Some of them are shaping, which refers to the judicious use of selective reinforcement to bring certain desirable changes in the behavior of the organism. Reward learning is the concept of reward which is central to this theory. Reinforces are the events that raises the rate of responding. In omission learning, it consists simply of withholding the reinforcers when the appropriate response occurs. Escape learning, in which escape behavior, the occurrence of the behavior terminates the aversive stimulus. Active avoidance learning, in avoidance behavior, is the occurrence of the behavior which prevents the presentation of an aversive stimulus. Punishment learning is an alternative paradigm that characterizes phobia as a choice behavior in which fear serves to punish an otherwise adapted behavior. Hence, the correct answer of this question is escape learning, punishment learning, active avoidance learning. Which one of the following is not a factor of modernization? A. Industrial development. B. Scientific knowledge. C. Social mobility. D. Physical mobility. Please give the answer of this question in the comment box.